Finally, your promise fulfilled. Finally, your promise fulfilled. Finally, your promise fulfilled. I come out my cap for you, Lord, cause now you be talk and do.
Finally, your promise fulfilled. Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Yeah.
Finally, your promise fulfilled. Lord, I come out my cap for you, oh, cause now you be talking to.
Your promise fulfilled. Yeah.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Yeah.
Finally, your promise fulfilled. Lord, I come out my cap for you, oh, cause now you be talking to.
Ancient of days, oh, I come out my cap for you. Cause I don't check I'm all before I come to conclusion. Papa this in a banner, Papa, I cannot praise you enough, oh, that's why me at the dance. You are my gift forever, that you shall remain. Cause I don't check I'm all before I come to conclusion. See my dreams, oh, they turn to reality. All my expectations, they turn to manifestation. Chukwu na-aza m ekpere, Chukwu na-eme mụ ka mbụ ofu nwa, nara ekene eluigwe, aga m achịliri gị aka enu.
Chukwu na-aza m ekpere, Chukwu na-eme mụ ka mbụ ofu nwa, nara otuto orube, aga m achịliri gị aka enu.
Oh, Chioma,
Chukwu na-aza m ekpere,
Chioma,
Chukwu na-eme mụ ka mbụ
oh, Chioma,
otuto orube, aga m achịliri gị aka enu.
onye ọlụ eze,
Chukwu na-aza m ekpere,
onye ọlụ eze,
Chukwu na-eme mụ ka mbụ
oh, Chioma,
aga m achịliri gị aka
aga m achịliri gị aka enu.
na-aza m ekpere, Chukwu na-eme mụ ka mbụ ofu nwa, nara otuto orube, aga m achịliri gị aka enu. Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Your promise fulfilled.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
You have fulfilled your promise.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Aye,
Cause now you be talking.
now you the talk and do.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Your promise has been fulfilled.
Finally, your promise
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Yeah. Aye,
Cause now you be talking.
now you the talk and do.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Your promise has been fulfilled.
Finally, your promise fulfilled.
Even your logic in your
Finally, your promise fulfilled. Lord, I come out my cup for you, oh, cause now you be talking.